Hi, let's look at this matrix addition question over here. As you can see, what we have is actually an expression x plus a matrix equals to another matrix, and we are supposed to find x. Okay, now if you were to think of this as a simple algebraic expression and you write it out as, for example, x plus a is equals to b, then how do you find x? X is simply b minus a, correct? You bring the a over, so from plus a becomes a minus a, and you do the arithmetic operation here and you find the value of x. Okay, now this same thinking applies over here. The only difference is, instead of it being a normal simple algebraic number, it is now represented as a matrix. Okay, but other than that, the thinking process is the same. Okay, so over here, to find x, I need to bring this matrix over the other side. Okay, so what I have here is 5, 1, minus 3, and 1. Subtract this matrix here, which is 3, minus 1, 2, 2. Okay, with that, we can proceed to do the subtraction based on the position of the numbers in the matrix. So I'll have 5 minus 3, 1 minus 1, minus 3 minus 2, and 1 minus 2. Okay, so let's complete that subtraction over here. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 1 minus 1. So minus times minus is plus, so 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer for x. Okay, so the thought process is similar to that for a simple algebraic expression as what I had explained here. The only thing is you are now dealing with matrices, so you need to make sure you do the correct matrix operation. Alright, thank you for watching, and look out for more such questions on our website and our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.